Morning to everyone. My name is Karishma. I am from Fossil. Today my subject is science. Reproduction is the process by which living things produce the young ones of their own kind. A tomato plant produces a new tomato plant. A dog produces a puppy. A human being produces human beings. Importance of reproduction in living things. Living things reproduce to increase the number of their own kind and also for the continuation of life on the earth. Do plants reproduce? Yes. Like all other living things, plants also reproduce to produce new plants. Plants reproduce by the methods asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Let us learn how plants reproduce in detail. Sexual reproduction in plant. Asexual reproduction without the of male and female cells and only a single parent plant. In asexual reproduction, plant produce new plant from the vegetative parts like leaf, stem and root. Thank you.